Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the reasons or why use Bootstrap Framework. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and then please click the subscribe button to support my channel. Thank you so much. There are several frameworks for front-end development. One of the most very popular is Bootstrap Framework. So let us talk about why use Bootstrap Framework. First, speeds up development with pre-built components. So when we say about speed up development with pre-built components, there are so many built-in features in Bootstrap Framework that can be only the user can only call, and then it will cut down the development time in half. If we compared it, we do it from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It takes a lot of time, prone to errors, and the delay in finishing a project. Number two, ensures a consistent look and feel across different screen sizes. Actually, based on my personal experience, Bootstrap Framework is the first framework for front-end development that is truly a responsive framework. What do we mean? That when we open a particular website, for example, on different devices, smartphones, tablets, laptops, desktop computer, it will automatically adjust the image accordingly to those different devices or screen sizes, which is locked on from scratch. If you are started using HTML and CSS, every device you have to customize the codes, the design. So prone to errors, delayed of time, and money also. Third, reduces the need to rewrite extensive CSS in JavaScript code. Yes, because it is a has a pre-built components, we eradicate the extensive amount of effort, time, and prone to errors in writing CSS or cascading style sheet codes in JavaScript in our applications. As we all know, the biggest amount of time that is being spent in software development is more on testing. So we can cut off the time, we can save money, and then we can save resources along the way. And lastly, has strong community support and regular updates. Because of its popularity, Bootstrap Framework has so many supporters and followers. Having this community support in regular updates and so many tutorials that we can find from a book, from the internet, YouTube, e-learning materials makes a Bootstrap more um, user-friendly and extensive knowledge base that anybody can learn in a short span of time, and then they can able to apply their knowledge in their respective web application projects. That's all guys. No, that's all the reason why we use Bootstrap Framework. Thank you so much for listening and watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.